Hello everybody and welcome back to Beae tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be discussing the spacer element. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, to use the spacer element you need to have few elements on your screen already placed. Like for example, let's just place social share and let's just align it to the center so we can understand more clearly. After that we can add another, so like for example we can add featured, and finally we can add another last element of icon list, for example. So yeah, let's just center align this one as well. So right now, as you can see, we have three elements placed on our screen and we need some space in between them. So you can see these are really cluttering up and not giving a tidy look in general. So if we want some space in between these elements, what we can do is from our element section we can drag and drop our spacer element in between these elements. So like for example, right now I am dragging and dropping this element in between social share and featured element section. So you can see our element is now placed in between. Right now you cannot see it, but it is added in there. And now if you head over to your editing panel here, you'll be able to see a spacer slider. So you can see when you increase this slider, the space just gradually increases too. So if you want more space, you can just increase this slider, and similarly if you want less, you can do it less. You can do that for other elements too. So let's just head over to elements and drag and drop our spacer element in between these two elements. So you can see our spacer element is now placed in here, and now we can head over to the slider again and we can increase the space. You also have this option to revert the settings if you want to do that, and you can also switch between different responsiveness. So like for example, if I want to have a mobile view, I can do that, or I can have another view as well. So, and you have other units as well. So that's pretty much it for the spacer element, and you can utilize this element to make your page look more cleaner and tidy, so our customers can really grasp on what products we are providing and use the website more easily. So that's pretty much it for the spacer element, and I really hope you understood the concept and liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.